Guys, in this video today, I want to show you a really good affiliate marketing method using CLICKBANK products, and it's really kind of a unique method that you can do to set up, and we're going to drive some free traffic to it from a couple of places, and I'll show you in this video as well. So let's go ahead and just get started on it right away. As you see, I'm already on CLICKBANK right here. Now, this method, I'll tell you, is free. You can do it anywhere from anywhere in the world. If you can't access CLICKBANK because of where you're at in the world, you can use Digistore24.com. That site, you will be able to use their products, which is the sister site to CLICKBANK.com. All right, and if you don't have an account to CLICKBANK, go to CLICKBANK.com, click on sign up, and just fill out the form and then get your email validated and come back and get logged in and come to the marketplace, as you see where I'm at right here now, and you can use this method with any product you want. I'm going to choose a weight loss product here. In fact, I'm choosing this one right here. As you can see, it's called Exipure right here, guys, and you can make about $146.24 per sale, and you can see that the gravity on this particular product is about 1,200 people that are marketing this successfully on CLICKBANK right now. We will take this product. Now, what we're going to do is I clicked on this link right here, and that opens up the website right here. So what we want to do is, once you get a product that you like, click on the main link of it, which is usually the top one right here, on any one you want. You can do this in affiliate marketing. I mean, you can do this with any niche that you want to, like, as you can see, all the niches on the side right here and all the categories that you can pick a product that you like and do this particular method. It doesn't have to be the one I'm doing right here with Exipure. So I clicked on this link right here, opened up this website, and then I copied. You can see it's a really good sales page is what this is. This is a sales page website right here for the product of Exipure, as you see right here. And then what I did was clicked on this link right up here, the link to the website, and I copied that, right-clicked and copied it. And then I brought it over here to this website right here. Now, I've stepped ahead a little bit in this video, guys, with some of this stuff to sort of hold the time down on the video for you. But this is the site that you want to come to right here. It's called look right here in the address bar, guys. It's web to PDF convert.com. Web and the number 2. PDFconvert.com. And you can convert a web page to a PDF. So we're going to make our own ebook. We're going to be doing this with ebook today, and we turn that website, this website or sales page website, into an ebook, and you can see that I pasted it right here, and then I click right here, and it converted it, and then it says to download the file. And I went ahead and downloaded it to my computer. Recommend you do the same thing. Download it to your computer. This is free to use. I mean, they do have pricing here. You can sign up on this site, but you don't have to be able to do what I'm showing you here right now. So put your link in there to your web sales page off of your CLICKBANK product or Digistore24, and then click convert. It'll click this right here, and it'll convert it and then download it to your computer. And then once you get it downloaded, you can actually take a look at it right here. If you'll look up here in the address bar, this is the actual converted PDF right now. So we got us a nice little ebook out of that whole website there, guys. What we want to do is we want to bring this ebook and load it up here on this site right here. It's called Sejda.com because we're going to edit this ebook and put our affiliate link right inside the ebook. So as you look over here, it's called Sejda.com. You see it right there, Sejda.com. It's a free online editor, and then you want to upload for free, edit PDF files for free, and then upload it into the editor here. And as you can see, I've already got my website or web page loaded up right here in the editor right now. So what we want to do is we want to come back, and we're going to put links, our affiliate links, all through this particular ebook right here. So we want to come back to the marketplace. I'm going to click on promote right here, guys, and then make sure that your account nickname is in the box right here, right? You can do a tracking ID if you want. It's optional. And then just click generate to hop links, and it gives you the old ugly long CLICKBANK link. Now, we will not need to shorten it for this particular method because it's going to be hidden within the ebook, right? So we'll just copy it, and then we'll close that out, and we'll come back over to the editor. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put links in our ebook right here. For example, like we could actually take and make this whole thing right here, make it a link right there as well. And as you can see right here, we will put in our affiliate link right there, guys, and then just press enter, and that makes that a link right there. And we can come down here and maybe take this paragraph right here, put our box over it like you see like that. That's how you do this on Sejda. Let go, it pops up with this right here, and then we want to put in our affiliate link right there as well, and then just press your enter key, and that turns it into a link. And then we can come down and we can put our affiliate link in about anything else we want. Let's come down here and see if we can get some of the product. Actually, we'll put it on every page here. I'm going to go ahead and make this whole thing right here a link as well. All of these, actually we can, well, let's see here. Let's make that, close that out and get a little bit better. There we go. We'll just make these 6 a link right here. So we'll make sure we get it out there wide enough to cover everything. And then we'll go with it about right there, and we'll make that a link as well. Put our affiliate link in right there, press our enter key, and you can see it makes that into a link. And then we'll come down here and we'll see down here, I'm looking for the product. It should be right here. Here we go. And we will also make a link out of these buttons right here, add to cart. So we'll just cover that right there like that. You can see, and let that go, and we'll put in our affiliate link right there as well. Press our enter key, and then that should do it. We'll come down here maybe and get another one. We'll do this one right here. Actually, it put them around right there, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and make a link out of all of these right here as well, and just make it down to about right there. And maybe we can go down to, it's not going to let us go down. So we'll make that a link right there as well. And then we'll just put that out right there. Paste our link in there and go with it. And now it's made a link out. So we got several of our affiliate links throughout this ebook, guys. And then what you want to do is just click on Apply Changes down here at the button. You see this button down here where my mouse is at, guys. Click on Apply the Changes. And it will go ahead and apply that, and then it will allow us to download the ebook to our computer. So it's loading it up there now, and that's good. And you can see that this is a link right here where we put these links in, and then this is a link right here, this particular paragraph right here. So if somebody was to click on that probably, yes, it does. It brings it over, and it's got our affiliate nickname right in there. So what we'll do is we'll download this ebook, now the finished product, to our computer. So if we click right there, and you can see that it downloaded it right over here on the left. So then we can just go ahead. Now what you want to do is, once you get your ebook done, you get your affiliate links in your ebook, then you want to come over to Google Drive. You see right up here in the address bar, it's drive.google.com, right? And then get logged in with your Google account, your Gmail account. And then you want to click on New right here. And then the file upload. And we're going to upload that PDF file that we just edited right here. Now I'm signed in. It didn't let me sign in. I had to re-sign in, guys. Then I'm going to click on File Upload here. And we'll upload our PDF. It says right over here behind me. You can't see it's uploading an item here. And you can see it right there. And then what we want to do, click on it and load it up here. Alrighty, guys. You can see that I have the ebook, the edited ebook with our links in it right there, uploaded here on Google Drive, or drive.google.com. Then what we want to do is we want to get a shareable link. Alrighty, so we click over here, and you see where it says share right here. So we want to get that and come back. Now we want to make sure that it says right here that anybody with the link can read it. Alright, close all that stuff out, and then so we want to click on change that. So now it says anyone on the internet with this link can view this. So then what we want to do is we want to copy this link right here. Then what I'm going to do is bring up my notepad and save that link in the notepad for right now. That's our Google Drive sharing link. So when we do what we're going to do, it's not going to look like we're spamming, right? All right, that's what we drive. We're going to direct people back to Google Drive to get the ebook, and they can download it. And then when they download it, it's going to have our affiliate links in there, right? So once you got all that done, guys, then what you want to do is we're going to market this now. We're going to market this ebook on Pinterest, as you see right here, guys, okay? Now, first thing you want to do, though, is we want to create a Pinterest pin. All right, so what we want to do for that is you want to come over to canva.com, guys. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's canva.com. Here at canva.com, guys, what you want to do, this is free to use, Canva is. I mean, you can sign up and log in with Google account and stuff like that. But for this, I won't need to log in. We can already do it. And you can see that I typed in here in the search engine box right here, a Pinterest pin. That's what I wanted to create. The actual size is 1,000 by 1,500 for a Pinterest pin, right? That's what you see right here. These are all 1,000 by 1,500 sizes right here. What we want to do is you want to pin, so you click, when you type that in there, press enter, and it loads it up over here. And you can see that I've created the Pinterest pin already, guys. Like I said, I jumped ahead a little bit here in this video. And what I did was just come to Elements, and I typed in weight loss over here in the Elements, and you can see that this picture right here, I just drug it and dragged it over here, just creating a simple Pinterest pin. That's all we need. And then I brought some text in over here, so I typed in learn how to lose weight fast. And then I downloaded it right here to my computer. So you guys can do this. It's easy enough to do this. It's just drag and drop stuff in over there. Same with your text. You can drag and drop the heading over there in it, and so on and so forth. Then once you get your Pinterest pin done, sort of simple like this, download it to your computer right here. Click on the 3-button hamburger symbol and download it to your computer. Then what we want to do is come back to Pinterest, and then we got logged in. Pinterest automatically logged me into my account right here. Then what you want to do, once you get logged in, you want to come over here to where it says create. And we're going to click on that, and it drops down this little menu right here. And we're going to create a pin. You see that right there, guys. Click on that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to upload our Pinterest pin that we created on Canva, right? And you can see right there, guys, I clicked on this thing right here and uploaded our Pinterest pin here. And then what we want to do is we want to add a title. And we're just going to put the same title in here, like maybe you can lose weight fast and safely, easily. And then what we want to do is we're going to tell about the pin here. I'm just going to say right here, this is a good formula for losing weight fast and safely. Something along that line. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put our link from our Google Drive, right? So we got our shareable link right here. Actually, I put it back. Forgot I put it over here. So we'll get our link from Google Drive here, and then we'll just share it there because people see that, and it's going to just look like, you know. Actually, want to tell them get a free ebook. That's right here. Get a free ebook that explains it all to you. And then we'll paste our Google Drive link right there so people don't think we're spamming, right? Because we're not. Google Drive is just Google Drive. It doesn't have any affiliate links in it. The affiliate links are in the ebook, right? So then, yeah, right here, and just fast and safely, and that's good. We'll leave that like that. Then the destination link is going to be our Google Drive link there as well. And then all we need to do is just publish that particular post right there, and it will drive them over to Google Drive, and they'll be able to download our ebook with our affiliate links right in there. Then you can go ahead and you can see here that the pin has been created now, and then you can promote it and do all kinds of things with it. But then another place, that's one place you can market it. The reason you want to market it on Pinterest, well, guys, come on. If I bring out my similar web here, it's just no brainer. It's almost 1 billion people per month come to Pinterest. All right, so that's a lot of traffic. And look, most of it here is from the United States. About 45 or what is that, 43% of the traffic, and the rest is from all the rest of the places in the world. So that's a good site to market your product on right there. So then what you want to do is another place you can market is come over here to Facebook. You see I'm logged into my account here at facebook.com. You see it right up here in the address bar. And look over here, and I clicked on groups right here, guys. And then over here in the column on the left, there's search engine. I typed in weight loss, and you can see now you're gonna do this with your niche, right? If you whatever product you're working with, keep your niche and everything congruent across your advertising. So you want to join all these groups, and then you can get to talking with these people and say, look, I have found a really great ebook that will teach you about weight loss and how to lose weight fast and safely, and then paste your Google Drive link into these groups, and people will see that and come over and get your book and download the book right here from Google Drive with your affiliate link in it. Click on it right there. It's just going to change it right over. There it goes. Directs them right over to the product with our affiliate link in right there, guys. So it'll be the same way with you. So that's how you do that, guys. Now you can also market it on Quora. Just use your creativity. You can go on Quora and ask a question, and then come back about an hour later and answer the question yourself, your own question, and then put your Google link in there, Google Drive link, directing them to a free ebook where they can learn how to lose weight fast and safely, or whatever product that you're doing it with, whether it's affiliate marketing, weight loss, or relationships, or one of those are the three big ones. You can do it with that. Well, guys, that is the video I had for you today. It's a really good affiliate marketing method that you can do and direct people to a free ebook with your links in it, and then you have a chance. Well, this could make money for a long time, because your link's always going to be in that ebook. Guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there below the video and click the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you have any comments or anything about this video or questions, just leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And also, if you want to learn the formula for high-ticket affiliate marketing, where you can make thousands of dollars in one day's possibility, you want to click down there below in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and come through my funnel and check out a free video presentation that will show you the formula on how you can learn to make thousands of dollars in one day's possibility. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care and have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.